up, grandbaby. Now, before you scroll, oh, you know what time it is, grandbaby. Yes, sir, grandbaby. Yes, you do. Oh, it's time for Papa's knee slap. Oh, yes, sir, grandbaby. Grandbaby, you ready? Ready for this, grandbaby? You ready? All right, all right. Why did Pop take the mirror to the park? You know why, grandbaby? And don't worry, Pop's gonna tell you. Because I wanted to reflect on nature. You can't, grandbaby, reflect with the mirror in the park with nature. I reflect on nature. Grandbaby, you better laugh. Because that was funny. I hope you laughed because I laughed because I thought it was funny. Yes, sir.